How to buy crypto with PayPal. Here are the exact steps you can use to buy on PayPal.com. But first, please note that in this tutorial, we're going to use Bitcoin as our crypto. So step 1, log into your PayPal.com account. Once you do that, click the three dots icon on the right side of the screen. Step 2, once you have clicked the icon, you should see a new menu come up with crypto at the bottom. Step 3, you should now see a menu with different crypto options. Since we are buying Bitcoin in this tutorial, click Bitcoin. However, you can click on any coin that PayPal offers if you want to buy a coin other than Bitcoin. Step 4, once you click on Bitcoin, you should now see a chart with a big Buy button below it. Click the blue Buy button. Step 5, once you click the Buy button, you will see a field that allows you to enter the amount of Bitcoins you want to buy. Step 6, choose your payment method. Now, you need to select which payment method you want to use. PayPal will automatically let you use already connected accounts. Step 7, confirmation. PayPal will now ask you to confirm the amount you are buying with a clear breakdown of the fees and amount of Bitcoin you are getting. Step 8, you bought crypto. That's it. You bought Bitcoin, BTC, using PayPal. You can also buy cryptocurrency with PayPal through an external wallet. It's almost the same steps, just select PayPal when you're going to buy or sell from an external wallet. And that's all for this video. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you.